Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your Globe plan and device readiness. First, check My Globe or Account SMS to confirm 5G eligibility. Globe must provision your number for 5G. Next, make sure your iPhone 11 is updated to the latest iOS so carrier settings include 5G profiles. Once done, power down briefly, insert the Globe SIM if not already installed, and enable cellular data in settings. These steps ensure the network and device align before changing radio modes. Now configure the iPhone network controls to prefer 5G. Go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. Choose 5G Auto to balance battery and speed, or 5G On to force 5G when available. If a carrier settings update appears, install it and restart the phone so the SIM and iOS apply the new radio parameters. Make sure data roaming stays off unless you're outside the Philippines. Once these steps are complete, watch for the 5G icon in the status bar to confirm connection. Finish by verifying performance and addressing problems. Test speeds near known 5G cells. Variable coverage is normal, so move a little to check. If you don't see 5G, reset network settings to clear cached carrier info. This won't delete media but will remove Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure your SIM is seated and not older than Globe's 5G SIM requirement. If issues persist, call Globe support with your IMEI and account info so they can provision 5G on their side. That usually resolves stuck connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.